All right, so I often get questions how to like run a report in NetDocs on a list of clients or a list of our matters. Now to do this, you've got to be a repository administrator. So if you are, you have the ability to come over to admin here. If you're not a repository administrator, you can't do that. I'm going to come over to the word admin, and then we're going to come over, we'll click on the three lines here and open up, and we're going to click on profile attributes. And then we'll let it run. All right, so there is a download lookup table here. So this would get the clients and matters. Again, this would come over here. Download lookup table will get the clients. You could get the doc types, but this is really a way where you can take those profile attributes and you're downloading them into a CSV file, which is basically an Excel file. Got to be careful if you have leading zeros. Again, this is a report. I'm not having you upload anything back to NetDocs. This is just showing you how to create a report to do that.